Mm-hmm. She likes her dog food, doesn't she? Give her some more, KK. It's okay. She's being a good girl. No, give her those, and then you can give some to Fizz. Good girl, Pix. Cat, you're so good with her. Good girl. I think she deserves those, don't you, Cat? Did you like that? Was it good? Good girl, Pigs. Good girl.